Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are doing very well. And one thing I want to tell you that I have posted so many videos of all the exercise till chapter 13. And if you have any doubt relating to any of the questions, you can just mention it in the comment box. I will try to explain that question once more. And in this video, I will solve question number 5 of exercise 13.1 for you. And previous questions of this exercise, I have already posted the video for the previous question. So let us start with the question number 5 of exercise 13.1. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. We have to express these product of powers of their prime factors, means we have to find the factors of these and we have to represent it in the exponential form. So first one is 648. So to determine the prime factorization of 648, we will use the division method. Okay, we will use the division method to determine the prime factorization of this number. So let us start. First one is 648. So how we will, or we can say that we will find the LCM of this number 648. So we will start with table of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, carry 1, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Now it will not come in the table of 2 because the last digit is 1 and 1 doesn't come in the table of 2. So now in the table of 3, 3 2s are 6, carry 2, 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So what we got? 1 2 3, 3 times 2, 1 2 3, 3 times 2 and 1 2 3 4, 4 times 3, 1 2 3 and 4, 1 2 3 times 2 and 1 2 3 4 times 3. Now I am rubbing this one, 3 into 3. Now how to express it in the exponential form? Now how we will write it in the exponential form? We got 2 3 times, so we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3 into, we got 3 4 times, so we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4. So here it is the, so this is the answer. This we have expressed this number in the exponential form. Find out the product, then we have expressed it in the terms of power. Okay, so here it was the first one. Now moving to the second one. Second one is 405. First of all, we will find the LCM of 405, or to determine the prime factorization, we will use the division method. So now in which table? In the table of 2? No, because 5 doesn't comes in the table of 2. In the table of 3, let us try the table of 3. 3 1s are 3, carry 1, 3 3s are 9, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. Now in the table of 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. Again in the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. Now again in 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So what we got for 405 equal to 3, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 3, we got 4 times 3, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and 5, 1 time 5 into 5. Okay, got it. Now we have to write it in the exponential form. Now how we will write it? We got 3 4 times, so we can write it as 3 raised to the power 4, and 5 we got only once, so it will be written as 5 only. No need to write the power 1, because if there is no power, it means 1 only. 5 raised to 5 we got 1 time, so it will be written as 5 only. So this is the answer for the second one. Now the third one is 540. First let us find the LCM of 540. 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 7s are 14 and 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. 3 ones are 3, carry 1, 3 fives are 15. Again 3 fives are 15 and 5 ones are 5. So we got 1, 2. 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 time 5. Okay, we got 2 times 2, 3 times 3 and 1 time 5. So we can write it as 2 squared into 3 raised to the power 3 and into 5. So this was the third one. Fourth one. Now moving to the fourth one. Fourth one is 3600. 3600. Fourth part of question number 6, 3600. So let us find the LCM of 3600. Here I will find the LCM of 3600. 2 carry 1, 2 8s are 16 and 0 0. 2 9s are 18 and 0 0. Again the table of 2, 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, carry 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, carry 1, 2 5s are 10. In the table of 3, 3 7s are 21, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. Now again the table of 15. Now in the table of 5, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now write the answer. How many times we got 2? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And how many times we got 3? 2 times. 3 into 3. And how many times we got 5? 2 times. 5 into 5. Now write it in the exponential form. 2 raised to the power 4 because we got 2 4 times. 3 raised to the power 2 because we got 3 2 times, and 5 raised to the power 2 because we got 5 2 times. So 2 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 2. This is the answer for the fourth one. So here we complete the question number 5, first, second, third and the fourth part, and hope that you have understood this question. In the next video I will solve question number 6 for you. So till then, stay blessed. Bye.